President Draupadi Murmu has said that her government is working at an unprecedented pace for the development of the country and the welfare of the people. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed confidence that the budget session of the Parliament will infuse new confidence and energy in attaining the goal of Viksit Bharat by 2047. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed grief over the loss of lives in the tragic mid-air collision between an American Airlines regional jet and an Army Black Hawk helicopter in Washington, D.C., United States. The government has announced that India is all set to launch its own safe and secure indigenous artificial intelligence model at an affordable cost. This was informed by Union Minister for Electronics and Information Technology Ashwini Vaishnaw in New Delhi yesterday. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has said that the nation cannot prosper without the contribution of half of humanity. He said this at the Foundation Day celebrations of the National Commission for Women in New Delhi this morning.